look so good. Hi you guys, I am just getting ready for Halloween. It's very confusing if it's Diwali on the 31st or on the 1st, but this was pre-planned that we'll be having a little bash at home. Everybody's just coming and like we're going to like spend some time together and then just go out for Halloween. But there's a lot of Diwali vibe going on at home as well, so I have to decorate my place before everyone gets here because I would not get that time tomorrow. And I have to shoot that as well, so I'm gonna take you through how I like decorate my house. House is looking so lit. Let me take you through the entire decorations I did. I shot a little video for Instagram, but what?
I'm getting out of this space.
I shot a little video for Instagram, but I did not get the time to shoot it for YouTube. But I'll take you through. Just a few tea lights here. Okay, this is my favorite section because okay, Akash is behind the bar apparently. But the candles, these tea lights, these roses are the highlight. I feel they look so pretty. And these fairy curtain lights that I did. And this is my urli, yet to light it up. Then there's this cute section I did right here. Again, flowers, candles, and to be safe, just did these LED tea lights. Again, a strip of tea lights right here. I am still confused if I should do lights on the patio, but sort of. It's not a patio, but yeah. Let's take you through the living room. Still, I'm yet to light the candles, but this is a cute section that I did right here. I just added tea lights, and I don't know why the spider is added. Akash wants the Halloween vibe. This is how it totally looks like. To be making the charcuterie board. Charcuterie. Whatever. You get it. Lots of crisps. Lots of crackers. Yeah, you can go. I have the rosemary sea salt crackers again. Then what else do I have, Akash? Yeah. Okay, I also have these Parmesan cheese crisps. So we could do that. I have sesame rice crackers. We.
Thanks.
We have. Not I. Okay, couple of things I'm just going to quickly show you. A lot of crackers basically. I absolutely love this one. If you ever go to Trader Joe's, just get this one. It's a fig and olive crisp, one of my favorites. Definitely going to add this. I'm excited to try the black sesame rice cracker. I've never tried this before. Sea salt. Very basic. Why do we have two sea salts though? We have two sea salts.
One is like Mediterranean and
no, one is with rosemary and one is Mediterranean. Okay.
Exactly. That's it.
And this is the Parmesan cheese
So
crisp.
you know what, bro?
Phone tika kar kaam kar rahi hu main. Also have grapes to add in the. Oh wait. Okay, yeah. We whatever. I also have we. We also have cracker cut cheese. Very important in our charcuterie. And
It smells like
necessary
French.
to add cotton candy. Something sweet. I don't know how to wear that. Still trying to figure out how to wear my Halloween costume. It's a maze.
Sorry.
It is. Okay, let's start. What an amazing vlogger, yeah.
Yep, that one.
What?
This one. There's a reason why it's a little empty. Because I already ate a few.
How many did you eat?
3, 4. What you laughing at, Kabir?
Why does
What you looking at, Kabir?
cheese have this pungent sort of a smell?
अभी एजुकेशन का टाइम नहीं है, काम करो चला.
You know what I'm most excited about? This. I'm very bad at opening this, yeah.
क्या कुछ ड्रामा कर रहा है?
Lovely. My husband left the chat. Doesn't want me to help.
Doesn't want me to help.
Doesn't want to help me. You get the vibe, right?
No, I
Why
don't
do you have
get
to
the vibe.
correct me on? He just left the chat. तू खुद ही शूट कर ले, तू खुद ही देख ले. मेरे को कैन बनना है, मेरे को रेडी होना है. हीरो लगेगा मैं. This cheese looks black sesame. Never tried. Let's try it on camera. This is so good. Actually coming through. We're gonna add a little bit of grapes and should be fine. Jalapeno hummus and the organic French dip till I just pair it if anyone wants to. This is so good. I got this from Whole Foods. It's the organic French onion dip. I anyway love anything onion, anything garlic, so sold. What I would do, I would actually do like a very Indian charcuterie board with murukul, bhakarwadi, khakra, all of that. But I'm not sure if everybody will enjoy that or eat. So I'm just going to be sticking to what everybody might like. But I'm surely going to experiment one day. I'm going to make like this Indian charcuterie where...
You could do that right now.
But I don't have the stuff.
There's
What stuff?
whatever stuff we have.
No, we actually don't have a lot of stuff, and we'd have to go to the Indian store, get bhakarwadi, khakra, samosa, or dry kachori, and that would be so good, right? Like an Indian charcuterie. I'd seen it on Pinterest. Tell me, what is missing from this? There is some sort of a color missing because
It's looking nice.
it's looking very neutral. Usually people do red grapes or do strawberries or beetroot chips,
You
but
gotta be different in life. Otherwise-
okay. I love your bar.
Thanks, bro.
I love your bar. Looking pretty. Not sure if you guys know about the Wings Club and the whole Pixie Girls. And I actually wanted to be Tinkerbell, but sort of like a Tinkerbell, but I wanted to be a purple one. So yes, still going to figure out how I'm going to wear this because this is a very confusing top. I've decided to wear this one. And this is my Ken. My mom would always dress me up as Barbie. She didn't care if I won. She would ask me, Ishna, what do you want to be? And be like, Barbie. Class 1, 2, 3, 4, I was Barbie. So this year I decided I won't be Barbie.
That's why you never
Ken
won.
will be alone.
That's why you never won, and that's why
Ken.
I always won.
Yeah. For me, looking good was really important.
I don't care.
Where's your topi?
My topi idhar hai.
Happy Diwali, Akash. How does it look?
Nice.
Just nice.
मस्त लग रहा है मस्त. अभी तुमको खुशी मिलता है?
किस चीज का? Ooh. There's baby making. Oh, look at Ken. What are you making?
Whatever I tried turned to shit for some reason. I don't know why.
Because you're not a good bartender.
No.
Also have my elf ears. I'm not sure how will I do this. How will this stay? Let's use the lash glue and stick the ears. I think that'll be fun. Yep. This looks really funny. This is literally a vibe.
Right.
Or tight. Or bus.
बहुत टाइट हो जाएगा ना तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. सर में दर्द होगा. You're looking so cute, Dano.
What do you guys think about this look? It looks so gorgeous. Especially the wings, they make such a huge difference. I know why it's like tilted a little, but
Me and her are so like I don't know.
I'm not like super basic,
Yeah.
so I don't know how. I mean,
Imagining events happening.
Apparently, nobody.
Some people not drinking.
आंखें जल रही है प्याज का काम। आकाश अब क्या बना रहा है?
तेरा क्या काम है?
ये स्पेशल छोला मसाला यूज करते हैं हम, जो आकाश ने स्क्रैच से बनाया। स्क्रैच से बनाया मतलब इंडियन स्टोर गया, मेहनत की, उठाया,
नहीं ये वाला
गाड़ी चलाया।
ये वाला
कौन सा वाला है?
ये वाला बनाया हुआ है।
कौन बनाया?
संजोत पीर की रेसिपी देख।
व्हाट रबिश।
हाँ
ये मेरा वाला है।
है?
हाँ
अरे नहीं, क्या तेरा वाला है?
अरे ये मैंने फ्रिज में भी तो रखा है। ये वाली जो चीज है
वो क्या है वो?
ये छोला मसाला है।
वो उसी का मसाला है।
हाँ बट इसको फ्रिज में रखना होता है, यू कांट कीप इट लाइक दैट। सूंघ के देखो सेम है क्या?
तो फिर यूज करेंगे।
आंखों का बैंड बज गया है।
थोड़ा किचन में जाया करो। आदत रहेगी।
कितने टाइम भिगाया आपने?
सुबह बनाया था।
और ये है सीक्रेट सॉस।
छोले का पानी।
यहाँ पे इज माई मोस्ट फेवरेट इंग्रेडिएंट, प्याज। ओह ऐसे होता है ये।
मेरे सीक्रेट्स बाहर आ जाएंगे।
यम्स। ये आपने तेल क्यों रखा है आलू का?
वहाँ जानबूझ के रखा है।
तो आप इस पे तड़का लगाएगा?
कुछ भी करना ना।
आप मेरी रेसिपी फॉलो मत कीजिए, बिकॉज इट विल नॉट टेक यू एनीवेयर। आप यूट्यूब पे रणवीर ब्रार की रेसिपी फॉलो कीजिए।
तेरा बात थोड़ा कम की।
मैं व्लॉग कर रही हूँ ना, तो बताऊंगी क्या कर रही हूँ मैं। Yummies. That's the charm.
मजा आ रहा है देखो इतना। फोकस मोड में है क्या तो?
हमें पूरी बनाने नहीं आती है।
बनाने भटूरे जा रहे हैं, बनती पूरी जा रही है।
पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है। ये भटूरा या मठरी है?
जो भी है लाजवाब। खाओ। कैसन बा? ठीक बा।
थोड़े बहुत अंडर एवरेज है। भटूरे बहुत अच्छे हैं।
अच्छा आप ही लोग देख के बताओ।
We are done with the dinner and look at our romantic setting, and we are watching this movie called Do Patti on Netflix.